Got Autopilot doing a fine job. 50 miles an hour, pouring rain. It's keeping the line really good. There's a curve coming. Let's see how well it takes it. No problems at all. Miles an hour. Doing a really good job going on this hill right now on the highway. Well, not really much of a highway, but it's really tight between the lines. I mean, it's not swerving left and right at all. Doing a really good job staying between those lines. And we have a curve coming up. Let's see how well it takes it. Doing a great job. Alright, there's my turn coming up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe and I'll bring you more content. Thank you.